Hi, in this short video, I'm taking you through a quick example of how agentic coding can be leveraged to build really powerful workflows using Marple. So in this case, we have audio data, which is coming from a pilot or a driver in the vehicle, and the driver is commenting on certain behavior that they're experiencing in the car. We actually built a component which converts the speech into text annotations, which are then available in Marple Insight to cross-correlate them with the time series data. So let's take a look at what that looks like in practice. So the application that we built is called Speech2Marple, and it's linked to Marple DB, so it has access to all the data sets that are already uploaded into Marple DB. You can see that some of these already have speech data associated with them, and others don't. If we now pick a certain data set, we can drop a new audio file from our local disk. In this case, I have one available here. And you can see that already the speech is being shown visually. And we can now process this speech data. Behind the scenes, we're using a Python library, which is called Whisper, which actually decodes the speech data into the text version. This is actually a small preview of what's going on behind the scenes. And these snippets are then pushed into Marple Insight using our SDK. So let's take a look at Marple Insight, what it looks like. This is the same dataset in Marple Insight. On the top right side, we can click on Show Annotations, and we can now see these 6 annotations which have been discovered from the speech data. If we zoom in a little bit more, we can get some more information on them. So in this case, we have, for example, one about the engine heat lights. The driver is worried if maybe the engine is overheating. So we can easily just drag in the engine temperature and have a look if it's actually the case. And in this case, we can see that there is no significant change in the temperature on that particular moment. So we can safely comment on the annotation. Looks good to me. These annotations are synced with everybody in the team. So basically, my evaluation of this issue is now available to everyone. This is just the tip of the iceberg. It's just one simple workflow achieved using AI. There are plenty of other use cases possible. If you want to kick this off yourself, make sure to take a look at our documentation, where we have a guide about how to use agentic coding together with Marple DB. And also, for this particular use case, we have a blog post detailing in more detail how we wrote the plan and how we executed on it using AI. Thanks a lot.